You have the Samsung Galaxy A17 and you've already forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. You know you have to reset the phone. That will let you then log back in with your Google or Gmail account. There's a handful of steps. Let's get started. All right, so the thing that you know that you have to do is you have to reset the phone and you have to turn the phone off first. But when you go to power your phone off, it makes you still enter the PIN, pattern, or password. So we have to force the device off. But now there's an extra step. Samsung says it's for security purposes. I think it's just to make it more difficult so that you end up buying a new phone. But now, before you do the button combos, you have to connect your phone via USB or USB-C to any laptop or desktop, or you can even use a tablet. So now let's get all the way started. So we're going to connect. Okay, I heard it here and I heard it on my laptop over there. Now we have to force the device off first. So to force it off, we have to hold volume down and power. As soon as it turns off, we got to switch to volume up and power. So lots of things. Volume down, power. We're going to hold. I like to touch the screen just to make sure it's still on as a visual cue. Keep holding once the screen turns on. And now volume up and power. You have to be kind of quick. Saw a little flash down here. As soon as we see the Samsung logo, we can let go with both fingers right there. Now, if we did it right, we will get the Android recovery menu, and that is exactly what we want. But there's still 2 warnings inside here, lots of steps. So let's scroll down to wipe data factory reset right there. You can pause here on the video or read on your screen of the phone that you're resetting. 100% still need your Google or Gmail account of the original person setting up the phone. Hopefully you have that secured. If you didn't write it down next time. Look for this little link here. It's a free worksheet to help you, or maybe your kids always forget PIN, pattern, or password, or grandma and grandpa. Anyway, let's move on. We're going to press power for yes. And now there's the second warning. Wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. Apps, photos, contacts, messages, everything. So if you're ready to do that, scroll down once. Factory data reset, press power for OK or yes. Your phone may take several minutes or just a few seconds to get this confirmation that the data wipe is complete. Now it is safe to reboot the system. Press power for OK, power for yes. All right, once again, I'm going to remind you right here is the free download worksheet to help you always remember your PIN, pattern, or password. If this video has helped you, please subscribe. Do me a favor, watch this video next. Thanks for watching.